What's up, guys? Today we are changing fenders on the trailer. We've got here's the one that's on it. As you can see, they're all busted up. We've actually got a set. I bought a couple sets, so I put one on my trailer already. But here's the new ones we're gonna put on. They gotta be welded, and I'll show you. I'll walk you through the process of how to do that. Hang with me and I'll walk you through it. We'll get it done.
You can't get it pop on cut. You can't get the both of them. Well, that's it. Oh, he's damn torch so hard to light. Check his safety fly now. I might put some burst stuff. Yeah, Mark, move him back.
That line's just about where the bracket is.
Close.
Isi nama?
Ah,
Nama?
no.
Okay.
Figure it out. As you can see, I got these cut off. I'll take a grinder and grind them welds off. Got these little brackets on behind the fenders that was already there, and that's some pretty heavy duty. So what I'm gonna do, the fenders fit to right here. So I'm just gonna cut this and leave this a little bit on the outside. Once I get the fenders on, get them welded on, it's got these little, kind of like footsteps, but it helps brace them up too. These will actually go like this. It'll go back behind the fender and it'll help brace it. So that'll actually be locked in right there, and that'll kind of work out pretty good for my little bracket. It'll help hold it. I may cut that back a little bit right here. Well, no, it'll stick out a little bit. I think the fenders it'll catch. I think it'll work out about right. We'll check it and see. Same thing over here. We'll cut that one and we'll put the fenders on. So that way you see what we got going on. Just have to grind all these welds off. It'll take me a minute, so just bear with me. Okay, Papa. You grinding?
Katanya?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You got glasses? Oh yeah, you got them.
Hey, wait. Oh, you got to plug it up. Outside, unless you get down in this.
You got a plasma cutter, a good straight edge. What I do is I clamp this straight edge on it, and then I'll just come up here and I'll look at my line. That way, make sure it runs straight, and that'll keep you a good straight line. That'll help you whenever you're cutting. All right, bear with me. Let me get back over and get my camera set back up. All right. Down, Papa. Down. Oh. Let me get another clamp. Measure, see what we got on this side. Looks like about 9 inches up. Down. Right here, after what? Hold it.
Here?
Yeah,
Okay.
down. Oh, my. Right there. See what we got. All right, 9 inches up. Here, Papa. I'll just
Yes, okay.
hold it tight. You gotta pick it up a little.
Right there?
Nah, maybe 9.
There's the place. Nice?
9, yeah.
Lead them up. Lead them up.
Yeah, I can see. Here.
Yes.
Yeah, 9 inches. Good. Let me pack it in a little bit. Good play. Good, good. Let's do that here. That's perfect. Alright. Oh. As you can see, we got this cut out to where it'll fit, and then it's flush in the back. You look down through here, you can see a little gap, but whenever you're welding, you push that right there in. It'll just, all you gotta do is push it in right here, and it'll close up that gap. You can see, think about them plasmas, man. They work great. I love them. And then that'll put the, we got a brace goes on the front and the back. It'll work out just perfect. The only thing is, I don't really like that, so I may nip this corner down right here. I don't know yet. I'll have to check and see. I think that'll look good. Right, we're gonna get her welded on real quick. Hang in there with me. And there's your new fenders. Got your brace in the middle to help hold that center up. Got your plates welded on. That's for like a step. You can also hook your straps onto it. Then I'll come back here and stitched it up through there. put a couple tacks in here like that. What that does is it'll get the thin metal so thin, that welder's so hot it'll melt through it and it'll kindly tack it in place. And then this one, I don't really like this too good, so I may cut this off and move this over, which it ain't no big deal. We got one right here, so you can hook your strap on it right there. So. But yeah, hopefully that'll help you. If you got any questions, just give me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up with more of my videos. Thanks for watching.